Hello guys, it's Criselda and I'll take you to my little studio. Let's go! This is one of my favorite artworks which was recently commissioned to me, I think around November last year. And I want to share with you the process on how I created this artwork. This was commissioned to me by one of my most favorite art collectors. He commissioned me to do numerous artworks for his house. And when he asked me to do this, I got really excited. Although during the process of creating this one, I find that it was really challenging. But now you can see that I was able to achieve the desired result that I was targeting, which is a relaxing artwork. If I will choose where to place this artwork in my house, or if I were to choose where to put this, I would place this near the bedroom. Why? Because as you can see, it's a man who is resting his head. So this artwork intends to evoke relaxation. I would imagine that it will be placed on a hallway going to the bedroom, and it will be with a spotlight, probably warm yellow spotlight. So, yep. It's actually one of my most favorite artwork, not only because it's commissioned by my favorite art collector, but particularly, I was challenged by it and it helped me learn a new technique. So that's it. That's one of my newest artworks. Thank you.